Okay, so let me ask you something. Have you ever poured your heart and soul into building a fantastic AI model only to hit a total wall when you try to actually show it to someone? It's a super common frustration. Today, we're going to talk about a tool called Gradio, which promises to solve this exact problem by letting you build and share a web interface for your model in just minutes, not days. You know the feeling, right? You've spent weeks, maybe even months, training this incredible model. It works perfectly in your Jupyter notebook, but to anyone else, it's just a bunch of code. It's basically trapped on your computer. And that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? How do you actually get it into the hands of your team, your boss, potential investors, or even just your friends? How do you let them play with it and see the magic for themselves? Well, the old way meant you basically had to become a web developer overnight. You'd have to figure out a whole front end, manage a back end, deal with HTTP requests. It's a completely different world that can take days of super frustrating work, pulling you away from what you're actually good at, building models. But what if there was a more elegant way to think about this? Instead of building a whole giant museum for a single masterpiece, what if all you really needed was a simple, beautiful picture frame? And that right there is Gradio. At its core, it's a Python library with one laser-focused mission to take your model from a complicated block of code to a simple, interactive, shareable web interface, and to do it in minutes. Let's stick with that analogy. Building a custom web app from scratch is like constructing an entire museum just to show off one painting. Yeah, it's professional, but it's massive overkill for a quick demo. Gradio is the picture frame. It puts all the focus right on your artwork, your model, and gets it up on the wall fast and with no fuss. And that pretty much sums it up. When speed and simplicity are what you need to get your model in front of actual people, Gradio is the tool. It's all about cutting out the friction and getting straight to the good part, the demo. So how fast is fast? This is where you get that real aha moment. We're about to look at the actual code, and I think you're going to be shocked at just how ridiculously simple it is. So let's imagine you've got an image classification model ready to go. You want a simple web page where someone can upload a picture and get back a prediction. That's the goal. And that's it. No, seriously, that's the whole thing. You just import Gradio, wrap your model's logic in a simple Python function, and then tell the Gradio interface about your function. That last line, .launching, spins up a fully working web app. It's kind of magic. Let's quickly break down that one line. fn is the brain of the operation. That's your Python function. Inputs is the front door. You just say image, and Gradio creates a whole image uploader for you. And outputs is the display window. You say label, and it makes a nice text box for the answer. Gradio handles all the web server stuff in the background based on just those three pieces of information. Now, of course, no tool is perfect for every single situation. So to really get the most out of Gradio, you gotta understand where it shines. And, just as importantly, where it doesn't. So when is Gradio your best friend? For sure, when you need to spin up a quick demo to get feedback fast. It's perfect for sharing your work with colleagues or clients who don't code. And here's the killer feature. Its native integration with Hugging Face makes deploying that demo for the whole world to see unbelievably easy. But let's be really clear here. Gradio is not for building the next big, complex, production-ready web application. If you need a super custom UI, complex user flows, or a scalable backend, you're better off with a full framework. Gradio knows its job is the quick, simple demo, and it does that job incredibly well. If we put it head-to-head with Streamlit, another awesome tool, you can see the differences. Both are fast, but Gradio is just a bit faster and simpler because it's so focused on one task. Streamlit is more general purpose. But that bottom row is the real game changer. The native Hugging Face integration is something you only get with Gradio, and for anyone in the ML world, that is a huge, huge advantage. And because of this intense focus and simplicity, Gradio hasn't just become another popular tool. It's really become the standard for a massive part of the machine learning community when it comes to demos. And its user base is incredibly broad. We're talking top ML researchers using it to show off the results from their latest papers. Data scientists use it for internal tools. Educators use it to make interactive lessons. It has really, truly democratized the act of sharing an AI model. And the proof is in the numbers. We are talking about thousands of models. If you browse cutting-edge research papers or explore the Hugging Face hub, you'll see Gradio demos everywhere. It has become the common language for showing, not just telling, what a model can do. So that leaves us with one last kind of exciting question. When that barrier to sharing your work is lowered from days of frustrating coding to just a few minutes, it completely changes what's possible. It frees you up to try more things, share more often, and build more. So what will you build next?